Okay, everyone, greetings. This is Dr. Poole, Wednesday, June the 20th. Let me start off by encouraging everyone to please read everything that you can. I don't know what's doing that. Not everything that you can. Read everything that's in the Moodle assignment. Moodle is our class. It is in lieu of you coming to classroom. So many of you have submitted speeches this past week. Not many, but some of you, too many of you have submitted speeches that just totally omitted aspects of things that you were supposed to include in the informative speech using a visual aid, and it was clearly just not reading. So make sure you read all this. These next 2 weeks are very important, and it is probably a topic that you may or may not understand, but we're going to see if you do. I had something interesting happen this week, and that is that 4 students of my 3 classes decided to go ahead and say that they had viewed a video. So they must be really incredible students, because it was a video I had not yet even recorded. So man, that's good, isn't it? But seriously, I don't post the video until Wednesday of the week. Sometimes Tuesday night. I said greetings, this is Wednesday the 20th, but actually I'm recording this on Tuesday evening, so it's available to you after midnight. But, come on guys, read the work. You had 2 weeks to get that speech together, and it's just, if you're too busy to read this amount of work, you're too busy. You're just too busy for life. So try to be careful about that. Anyway, you're looking at the instructional video this week. It's number 6. And we are talking about ethos, logos, and pathos. Those of you that have had English 111 or 112 are familiar with this, and if you haven't, you will. And if you are, good, because it's the exact same thing that we did in writing and essay writing that you do in speaking. Rhetoric, or the study of rhetoric. Rhetoric is the art of persuasion. So I want you to watch these 3 instructional videos, 3 persuasive appeals, the art of rhetoric, and ethos, logos, pathos, once or twice, maybe 3 times, so you get a good, simple understanding of the rhetorical triangle and rhetoric, and how to analyze a print ad or a TV commercial rhetorically. That's what the next 2 weeks is all about. After you've looked at these, made some notes, thought about them, do chapters 15 quiz and chapter 16 quiz. And then you're going to, this week before next Tuesday, like 6 days away from now, submit to me the 2 ads that you will be analyzing for next week's presentation. You're going to do this in the online text submission box, and the example will be print ad, anti-smoking commercial, TV ad, animal cruelty ad. So where do you find these ads that you're going to analyze? Best place to look at print ads, you Google the following for print ads. Ad that use ethos, pathos, logos. You'll find a million of them. Best place to see TV ads, click on this link or Google the TV ad that you would like to do or show, or one that you've seen before. Now, when you show these things, it's going to be like another visual aid speech. You are going to embed it into a PowerPoint or show it on a laptop. There were a few of you that didn't have your laptops or your computers anywhere near enough the screen for anyone to see, so make sure you fix those problems. One request, there are many ads on the web that have been analyzed, and the analysis is available. Exactly what you would turn in and make a 100 plus. Please use these to better understand how to analyze ads, but do not use them to substitute for your own analysis. So all you have to do this week is watch these videos, do chapter 15 quiz, chapter 16 quiz, submit the description of the ads you will be analyzing, and watch the 3 videos. This says 4 videos, and one was sort of redundant, so I took it away. I'll fix this in just a minute. It should just be 3 videos. There's a very important thing right here that says, click here to read important information you should know. This is going to be on here every week, If you know this information, you will ace the final exam and learn a lot about public speaking. If you do not know this information, you will not do well. So make sure you start looking at it. It's pretty simple. And then finally, how to analyze rhetorical aspects of a TV ad. This will give you a very thorough analysis of a TV ad. It's the Budweiser puppy commercial that they did during the Super Bowl, past Super Bowls. Maybe this has been going on 4 or 5 years now. It's much more involved than what you will do for your analysis, but it's a great way to learn by watching and listening as they break the ad down. Pretty simple. And submit that before Tuesday evening of next week, which is going to be June 26th, I think. And then on Wednesday, June the 27th, I will put the next video in like I've told you I would. But I've already opened up the rest of the course so you can see some of the things that you're going to be doing. Believe it or not, we're in week 6. After this week, only 4 more weeks of class, and we still have 3 speeches to give. So be ready. Let me know if you need anything. Keep up the good work. Those of you that are, those of you that aren't, start doing the good work. Have a great week.